Vanakkam. Dr. R.K. Shanmugam Educational Trust started an Arts and Science College in the year 1997. Well-known doctors and social-minded doctors in and around Kallakurichi, along with service-minded engineers and philanthropists, joined together to do something in the field of education as a joint venture. Dr. R.K. Shanmugam was the first Financial Minister of independent India. He hailed from South Indian Manchester, Coimbatore. He marked his presence in the Indian Parliament, roundtable conferences at London, Annamalai University and Trivandrum University as Vice Chancellors. He also made a remarkable presence in the finance. Our vision is to give higher education to our younger generation. Apart from giving a good education, we should also give social value-based education, which only will make our wards to be a respectable citizens. As generally seen now, education is not just a getting good education, getting a good job, earn good money and enjoy life. As Aristotle said, giving education to the mind without giving education to the heart is no education at all. As he said, so we should educate our wards in such a way that they should respect the fellow men, be a guardian for their parents and an asset to the society. I am proud to say that more than 6,300 first generation graduates have come out of our institution and they are working at homeland and also in MNC companies throughout the world at various levels and with various distinctions. It is a credit to our college to have NAC in the year 2017. We also started B.Ed college in the year 2008 and we got NAC for the B.Ed college in the year 2013. And in the year 2012, we started a school in the name of Dr. R.K. Shanmugam Masters Metric Higher Secondary School. I feel happy to say that our school gets 100% result in the 10th public examinations and most of the students are getting more than 450 marks in the examination. In the year 2018, we have started Institute of Health Sciences in which we have A&M and Health Inspector course. It is a 2-year course and they will be getting job opportunity immediately after their course. At this juncture, I would like to say a few words of the chairman of NAC peer team. He has given some complimentary words about the institution. He said the campus is a clean and green campus. He has given some words about the management also. According to him, the management is proactive and the faculty members are very active. As we have more than 15 doctors in the management team, we give regular counseling for the students who need it. We also have given a board. When they enter into the campus in the morning, they will read the board as you are entering into the temple of learning. And in the evening when they leave the campus, they will read the word, stepping out to step up in life with knowledge and confidence. And wherever you see in the campus, you can see some hoardings to motivate the students. It is always a truth that wherever NCC is there is patriotism, leadership quality and discipline. And we have NCC for the past 12 years and the NCC cadets are doing wonders. The cadets also have the credit of attending annual training camps, army attachment camps, mountaineering and RD parade. One of our cadet under officer, Mr. Naveen Kumar, attended the RD parade in the year 2014. I am very happy to say that our students in the sports are doing wonderful job. They do very well in the university level, state level and national level. They get job opportunities at national level with their certificates in the sports. The eligible candidates are getting government scholarship both state and national level scholarship. Apart from this, the trust is giving its educational scholarship to the needy students. Every year around 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs are given to the needy students. The trust also has group insurance. It covers all the students and also the faculty members and non-teaching staffs. While it is a difficult task for others to make the students listen, learn and shine, it has become our attitude to make the students groomed well to face any challenge before them. Dr. RKS is for good education and Dr. RKS is for good specialization. Thank you.